Introducing Balanti, Humalanthus populneus of the family Euphorbiaceae. Balanti is a small tree that is 10 meters tall. The leaves are alternate with long slender petioles, rhomboid to ovoid to 10 centimeters long and 7 centimeters wide. Balanti is found in thickets and secondary forests at low and medium altitudes throughout the Philippines. It is an endemic plant species. This tree species plays a crucial role in its habitat by providing shelter and food sources for various animals including birds and insects. The lithic sap serves as a food source for particular native species, while the fruits produced are a rich dietary item for birds and mammals. Additionally, the dense foliage contributes to the canopy layer, which is essential for many wildlife species that rely on trees for their habitat.